Hi friends, today we're at 9142 South 5th Street in Crawford, Texas. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. It's got some original hardwood floors in the front of the home and a really big fully fenced lot. I'm excited for you to check it out. A great covered front porch. We enter into the living space. These are the original hardwood floors in this space, but lots of little updates throughout the home. Off this living space, we do have 2 guest bedrooms, hardwood flooring throughout both of these bedrooms, closet, ceiling fan. In this front bedroom, similar but opposite layout in this middle bedroom. We'll head this way into the kitchen space. So we've got kitchen with new countertops, backsplash, newish, not original to the home. And then we do have a dishwasher in the home as well. We head through this laundry space, lots of open space over here for additional storage, and we have our first full bathroom, single vanity, tub shower combo. Head back through the kitchen. We've got a dining space right here. It leads out to the side porch, side yard, backyard space. And at the back of the house, we do have the primary bedroom. Only carpet in the house is in the primary bedroom. Large space back here, ceiling fan, and then we do have the ensuite primary bath. Single vanity in here, tub shower combo, walk-in closet, and a potty closet, lots of storage. Let's check out the outside. We'll head out to the side yard, backyard. It is fully fenced. We've got a little dog run space over here, and we've also got big storage shed over here. Big old trees, tons of shade over here. Again, it is a fully fenced lot. Corner lot, so private and quiet, super close to downtown Crawford. If you have any questions or you want to take a closer look, just let us know. If you have any questions, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you on the next one.